Hello everybody. I just thought I would do a quick video on MacBook top section LCD. As you can see, the LCD is very wobbly, and what happens is the screws under the black cover get loose. Okay, so what you need to do is take out the LCD, so you free up the connections here. Take out the screws, 3 screws on that side, 3 screws on this side, and what you want to do then is take out these screws here, just like that. It's not enough to just tighten them back. And use nail polish to put a little bit right into the hole, and then set the screw back in there. Oops. So why would I want to use nail polish as opposed to thread locker? Price. You can get nail polish for about $1. A thread locker, a good thread locker, is gonna be probably about $3 or $4. I have it, but nail polish works just the same. So as you can see, just lock it with a nail polish. It'll be fine for many years. So there's 2 screws on one side and 1 on the bottom. You gotta do all 3 of them, all 6 of them I should say. And when you put it back together, this will last a very long time. You do not need thread locker on these screws, and the reason for that is if you see the little notches in there, the screws have waviness at the bottom. They lock themselves. So Apple was smart enough to design these screws to be self-lockable, and these are not. So this is how you fix this problem. Hopefully this helps somebody.